Hello, my name is Odessa Esco, and this is Commonly Confused English. Today we are comparing the expression to look back versus to remember. Both of these talk about the past, but in slightly different ways. Let's start with to look back. When we say looking back or now that I look back, we're talking about not only the past, but our current feelings and thoughts about the past. For example, when I was younger, I really didn't like going to school. But looking back, I know it was a necessary part of my development as a person. You can see how I'm talking about the past, but I'm referencing on my current understanding of what happened in the past. This is different than just remembering. Remembering isn't focused on our feelings or our thoughts of the past. It's actually just recalling the information as we know it or as we remember it. This is when you hear people say, "Do you remember where I put my keys?" We wouldn't say, "Looking back, where are my keys?" That wouldn't make any sense. Remembering is more straightforward. It really gets confusing when you try to use this word and this expression in the same sentence. Because sometimes we are remembering things and we're also reflecting or looking back. For example, now that I remember that day, I don't think it was a good idea looking back. So we're talking about hard facts that we know, and then at the end, we're adding in our emotional or our critical thinking of the present moment. So you can use this expression and this word in the same sentence, but you can't use them interchangeably. If that doesn't make sense or you have more questions, please leave a comment down below or a suggestion for another video. Don't forget to click the link in my channel description for my link tree, which has Commonly Confused English in a written format for you. It has more examples and more explanation. It's all on a Google Doc for you there. So before you make a question, make sure you make a trip to that. I will be making and continue to make Commonly Confused videos, but I also do longer topics and other topics. So feel free to leave a comment about anything you want to talk about, not just commonly confused English words or phrases. Also, if you care, I'm in Bermuda. I'll be making a video about this beautiful country when I get the chance, hopefully sooner than later. But this is where I've been. Sorry I haven't been as active as I should be, but that's gonna change. So thank you for all of those who have been asking, where's the next video? It's great motivation and I appreciate you. I'll see you in my next one. Stay cute.